जाते वक्त डीपीएच का रिचार्ज कर देना म्हणलं तर लागलं होतं ड्रायव्हिंग तर लागलं
मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही।
Am I audible?
यस।
Okay. So in today's session, we have to see about the source transformation and source shifting. Many times, given network is complicated. To simplify the calculations, we need source transformation. In source transformation, we can convert voltage source into a current source or vice versa. It means what? We can convert current source into a voltage source. Why we are converting? Because many times what happens? Circuit is complicated. So there will be we face difficulty to solve the value of unknown voltage or a unknown current. So we can convert the given complicated circuit into a simplified circuit by using the source transformation and a source shifting. So in source transformation, what we are doing? If given circuit is complicated and we are simplifying this circuit by using a transformation, we can convert given circuit by many methods into a simple circuit. Here we are doing source transformation. If given voltage source is in series with a resistance, then we can convert this circuit into a current source where the same value of resistor, ये जो resistor है उसका value same रहेगा, but that resistor will be in parallel with current source. मतलब हमारा जो सर्किट है उसमें वोल्टेज के साथ यदि रेजिस्टर सीरीज में कनेक्टेड है तो हम उसको क्या कर सकते हैं? वी कैन कन्वर्ट दिस सर्किट इनटू अ करंट सोर्स वेयर द सेम वैल्यू ऑफ रेजिस्टर विल बी इन पैरेलल विथ दैट करंट. If any circuit is having voltage source in series, then we can convert that voltage source into a current source where the value of resistance will be same, but that resistor will be in a parallel. As here in voltage source, this resistor is in series with voltage source. We can denote this resistor as R or a RS. It is nothing but a series resistance. And this resistance is parallel with current source. So we can call this resistor as a shunt resistor. मतलब the resistor which is parallel with a given current source. यदि रेजिस्टर पैरेलल में है तो हम उसको क्या बोल सकते हैं? शंट रेजिस्टर बोल सकते हैं. And we are doing this transformation to simplify the circuit to get the value of unknown current or unknown voltage easily. We will see how we are using this by solving some example. So how to make this circuit equivalent? हम कन्वर्ट तो कर रहे हैं, but how we can make this circuit equivalent? If given circuit is a voltage source, then we can convert into a current source by using same resistor, but that resistor will be in parallel with a current source. But if we have to check they are delivering same voltage or not, we know if there is a resistor, resistor will take some value of voltage. resistor क्या करता है? जो भी हम उसको बैटरी देते हैं उसका वो क्या करता है? सम वोल्टेज ले लेता है. इट मीन्स व्हाट? At the resistor there will be some value of potential drop will takes place. That's why we can connect load resistor to the each circuit to ensure that it delivers same current or same voltage to the load or not. मतलब हम यहाँ पे A और B के बीच में क्या कर सकते हैं? लोड रेजिस्टर कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. Similarly we can do these things for the current source also. We can connect load resistor parallel with this circuit and we can see it is delivering the same value of voltage and current or not. If we are having the voltage source value, It means what? If there is a resistor which is in series with a given voltage source, then we can see the value of current at the load. And if we are converting this circuit into the current source, ये जो ऊपर का circuit है A diagram, this is the voltage source, and in B diagram we are converting this circuit diagram into the current source where resistor is in parallel with a current source. So we can calculate the value of current by using current divider rule. So according to current divider rule, if we have to see, we have to calculate the value of load resistor here, then we can calculate by using current divider rule. Current divider rule क्या बोलता है हमें? If we have to measure the value of this current, unknown current, which is flowing through the load resistor, we can calculate by using current divider rule, and according to current divider rule, that value will be equal to total value of current into Is into the resistor which is in parallel, will be in numerator. ये RL के parallel में कौन सा है? R. So we will take that value in a numerator with respect to the total resistance, means equivalent resistance. तो total resistance का value क्या है दोनों का? R plus RL. So according to current divider rule, we can calculate the value of current here. And if there is a voltage given, so according to the voltage divider rule, we will get the value of load current here. Total voltage, we know according to Ohm's law, V equal to IR, but we are calculating here current, not a voltage. So we can calculate load current as Vs equal to Vs upon R plus RL. This is nothing but the total resistance. और यहाँ पे जो है वो given supply है. According to voltage divider rule, we can write this equation and we can calculate these are having the same value or not. If we are converting given voltage source into a practical current source where the same value of resistor which is connected in series with voltage will be in parallel with a current source. यहाँ पे parallel में है, तो there will be equivalent value of current will flow through the load resistor. मतलब ये दोनों जो values रहेंगे that will be having same value. So we are using here source transformation to simplify the given circuit. So we can equate this equation. By equating this equation, we will get IL. Both equations are for the load current. So we can equate this equation. IL equal to Vs upon R plus R load, R upon R plus R load into Is. So Rs, R load, these are having the same value. So this will get cancelled and we can calculate the value of Is or a Vs in the form of current and resistor. According to Ohm's law, we know V equal to IR और हमें यहाँ पे उसके इक्वेशंस मिल रहे हैं. तो इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड करने की जगह हम ये सिंप्लीफाइड इक्वेशंस वी कैन यूज. तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे वोल्टेज डिवाइडर और करंट डिवाइडर रूल यूज करके वोल्टेज और करंट के वैल्यू डिराइव करते हैं एंड देन वी आर इक्वेटिंग दिस वैल्यूज आर similar or not. But as we are transforming the source, this value will have same value. और हमें ये करंट और वोल्टेज के इक्वेशंस मिल जाएंगे. If two voltages V1 and V2 is connected in series, then there is a addition of two source in one of them. And if it is connected in parallel, if the both voltage would be same, it means what? If there are two voltage which are connected in series, if they are having the same directions, then we can take their addition. But if they are having the different directions, तो जो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू रहेगा उसमें से हम मिनिमम वैल्यू को क्या करेंगे, यहाँ सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे. एंड इफ यहाँ पे तुम देख रहे हो मैंने सेम डायरेक्शन लिया है, ऊपर पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव, सो आई एम एडिंग दिस टू वोल्टेज सोर्सेस. बट यदि दो वोल्टेज पैरेलल है, यहाँ पे और उसके बाद और एक पैरेलल है. We know if voltage source we are checking at different potential, different point and which are in parallel with each other, then we know voltage will have same value if the elements are connected in a parallel. पैरेलल में यदि है तो वहां पे वोल्टेज का वैल्यू क्या होता है, सेम होता है. If two current sources are connected in a parallel, then there is a addition of two both the currents. मतलब if currents are flowing in a same direction, but if currents are flowing in a opposite directions, then we can take their subtraction. It means what? If two currents are connected in parallel और उनका सेम डायरेक्शन है तो हम उसका एडिशन लेंगे, और उनका डायरेक्शन अलग है, ऑपोजिट है, तो व्हाट वी विल डू, जो मैक्सिमम करंट है उसमें से मिनिमम करंट है उसको सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे. एंड इफ both currents are connected in a series, then current will be same in both the cases. क्या होता है वहां पे, करंट का वैल्यू जो है वो दोनों केसेस में सेम रहेगा. कब? यदि करंट सीरीज में है. In previous section we have already seen about if the elements are connected in series what happens, and if the elements are connected in parallel. सीरीज में यदि एलिमेंट्स कनेक्टेड है तो करंट जो जाता है सेम होता है, और एलिमेंट्स जो है वो यदि पैरेलल है तो उसमें क्या होता है, वोल्टेज जो रहता है वो सेम रहता है. नाउ वी विल सी वन एग्जांपल ऑफ अ सोर्स ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. इफ वी आर हैविंग वन सर्किट इन विच गिवन वोल्टेज इज 5 वोल्ट, सीरीज रेजिस्टेंस इज 2 किलो ओम एंड लोड रेजिस्टेंस इज 1 किलो ओम. We have to convert this into a equivalent current source. What we will do, we will calculate first of all the value of load current. We can calculate load current by using the current divider rule. Current divider rule के हिसाब से हम क्या कर सकते हैं, उसका value calculate कर सकते हैं. Then we can write that value here. If we are solving this, then we are getting here load resistor का voltage जो है हमें 1.67 मिल रहा है. We are solving according to the voltage divider rule. और हमें इसको यदि current source में convert करना है, so we can solve this by using current divider जो अभी मैंने बताया. What we will do, 1 upon RL plus we will take here equivalent resistor, 1 upon RL plus 1 upon RP. We can write RP because it is in parallel with this, or we can write here RS H also. मतलब शंट रेजिस्टर और पैरेलल रेजिस्टर, द रेजिस्टर which is in parallel with a given current source. तो हम यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं, इसका करंट का वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं. If you calculate the current value, you will get here the value of current is a 1.67 milliampere. यहाँ पे हमें वोल्टेज मिल रहा है. So according to the Ohm's law, we know V equal to IR. If you calculate the value of IR, I equal to V by R. V क्या है हमारे पास, 5 वोल्ट है. If you calculate this value, VRL का वैल्यू जो है टोटल वैल्यू 1.67 है. VRL अपॉन लोड रेजिस्टर कितना है यहाँ पे, टोटल इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस, यहाँ पे जो लोड रेजिस्टेंस है वो है 1 किलो ओम. सो यू विल गेट 1.67 अपॉन 10⁻³ ओम, मतलब यू विल गेट हियर 1.67 मिली एम्पियर. And you guys can see here the value of voltage source is equivalent and value of current source 1.67 milliampere, these are also equivalent. And if you calculate the power is nothing but V into I, that value will also having the same value in current source as well as in a voltage source. So again we will see one example. If we are having this circuit, you can see here one voltage source is given, 3 parallel resistor, but one resistor is in series. So what we can do, we can use source transformation and we can convert this resistor also in a parallel. यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया है, इनका equivalent resistance, ये जो resistance है same, what we will do, the same value of resistors will be in parallel with the current source. मैं यहाँ का करंट कैलकुलेट करूंगी. हाउ विल यू कैलकुलेट? I equal to V upon R1. 50 ohm upon 25, you will get the 2 ampere. I can write here 2 ampere, that resistance will be same. So you will get this simplified circuit. Now according to the current divider rule, what we have to do here? We have to calculate only IR4. ये जो लास्ट रेजिस्टेंस है हमको उसी का करंट निकालना है. तो हम करंट डिवाइडर जो रूल है we will apply to only that resistor. यदि तुमको इसका बोला है तो हमारा इक्वेशन क्या हो जाएगा? 1 upon R3 with respect to या फिर डिवाइडेड बाय 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 plus 1 upon R4. ये इक्विवेलेंट तो सेम रहेगा, सिर्फ यहाँ पे जो रहेगा हमें जो बोला है उसका हम क्या करेंगे? रेसिप्रोकल लेंगे एंड वी कैन सॉल्व द वैल्यू ऑफ current flowing through R4 resistor by using the current divider rule. And if you solve these equations, you will get the value 0.267 ampere, because here the value of resistors are given in a ohm. That's why we are getting here value in a ampere. Again, we can see another one example. Example 2. What we are doing here? Here one voltage source is given and here one current source is given. If you are converting this circuit into another circuit where there will be two current source or a two voltage source, then it will be more convenient for you to solve the value of unknown current. So we can convert this voltage source, ये जो voltage है और उसके साथ जो series में resistance है, we can convert into a equivalent current source. How we can convert? We can calculate the value of current here. Vs upon R1. 20 upon 5 will be 4 milliampere. So I can write here 4 milliampere. The value of resistance will be similar. जितना है उतना लिखेंगे. Then what we can do? We can solve these equations by using the current divider rule. But here, as there are two currents, you can see here 4 ampere and 2 ampere. These are having the same directions. They are incoming. That's why we are taking here additions to combine the two current source. तो हमको क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? इसका वैल्यू मिल जाएगा करंट का. टोटल करंट जो है कितना है? 6 एम्पियर. What we have to do? We have to calculate the value of IR2 which is flowing through this resistor. हमको इसके यहाँ का निकालना है. तो according to which law? According to the current divider rule, we can calculate the current value which is flowing through R2 by calculating this current divider rule, which will be 1 upon R2 upon 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2, मतलब equivalent total resistance into total current. Total current कितना है हमारे पास? 6 milliampere, and I am putting the value of current, value of the resistor here. Then we will get the value of current. If anyone is facing any difficulty, then you can ask. We will revise the things what we have seen today. We are using source transformation to convert the given complicated circuit into a simplified circuit to calculate the value of unknown current and unknown voltage. Here we are doing shifting of source. What we are shifting? The current source and a voltage source. We are shifting the current source within a network to make given electrical circuit for current to voltage ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. मतलब हम क्या कर रहे हैं? यदि हमें वोल्टेज का वैल्यू डिराइव करना है तो वहां पे यदि गिवन करंट सोर्स है तो हम क्या करते हैं? उसको वोल्टेज सोर्स में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, बिकॉज इफ यू आर शिफ्टिंग द गिवन वोल्टेज सोर्स इनटू अ करंट सोर्स, देन it will get convenient, easier for you to solve the value of unknown current. That's why we are doing source transformation and a source shifting. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? यदि रेजिस्टर जो है सीरीज में कनेक्टेड है गिवन वोल्टेज सोर्स के साथ, तो हम उसको क्या कर रहे हैं? करंट में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं, जहां पे रेजिस्टर जो होगा सेम रहेगा, बट द वैल्यू ऑफ रेजिस्टर विल बी इन पैरेलल विथ द गिवन करंट सोर्स। मतलब जो हम करंट कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं वोल्टेज सोर्स के डायग्राम से, उसका करंट के साथ जो रेजिस्टर है दैट विल बी इन अ पैरेलल विथ करंट सोर्स। It is the process where complicated circuit will be simplified to make circuit more easier to solve. There are many ways to convert this complicated circuit into a simple circuit. We are using here source transformation. If given circuit, in given circuit, current source is in parallel with a resistor, then we can convert that circuit into a voltage source where the value of resistors will be same, but that will be in series with resistors, and vice versa. It means what? If voltage source where resistance is in series, then we can convert this circuit into a current source where the value of same resistance will be in parallel with that voltage source. You can see how we are converting. जो resistor है ये voltage source के साथ series में है, तो we can convert into a current source where the resistor will be in parallel. We are calculating they are equivalent or not. We can calculate by deriving the value of load current. How we will derive? We can attach a load resistor, the same one which is having the same value 10 kilo ohm, 1 kilo ohm, जो भी है voltage source और current source में हम same connect करेंगे, and we will ensure that its circuit will deliver same voltage and current to the load or not. If we are having the voltage source, then we can use voltage divider rule, but here we have to derive the current. First हम क्या करेंगे, voltage divider rule के हिसाब से यहाँ का voltage यदि निकालेंगे तो VL क्या रहेगा, यहाँ का resistor प्लस इन दोनों का वैल्यू इनटू voltage source. हम यदि उसको करंट में डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्या होता है, करंट इज नथिंग बट V बाय R, R will get cancelled और हमें इक्वेशन क्या मिलेगा, IL इक्वल टू VS अपॉन equivalent resistor R plus R load. And if there is a circuit of current source where resistor is in parallel with a current source, then we can calculate value of load current by using the current divider rule, and we can equate these equations. If we are equating these two load currents, we will get the value of current source in the form of voltage source and a resistor, or you can convert this equation in the form of voltage source. You will get the value of voltage source in the form of current source and a resistor. If two currents are connected in a parallel, then there is an addition of both the currents, but if they are having the same direction, and if the currents are connected in series, then that current will have the same value in both the sources. And if you see for the voltage source, if two voltage sources are connected in series, then there is an addition of two voltage source if both are having the same direction, and if they are connected in parallel, the value of voltage will be same. If voltage source is connected in series in parallel with a resistance, then resistance can be neglected because the value of voltage will be same here. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, यदि पैरेलल में एलिमेंट कनेक्टेड है तो वहां पे क्या होता है, वोल्टेज का वैल्यू सेम होता है. एंड इफ करंट सोर्स इज कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज विथ अ रेजिस्टेंस, then the resistance can be neglected because the value of current flowing through that resistor will be same. क्योंकि सीरीज में क्या होता है, जो करंट फ्लो होता है उसका वैल्यू क्या होता है, सेम रहता है. मतलब द वैल्यू ऑफ करंट विल बी कांस्टेंट थ्रू आउट द सीरीज सर्किट, एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ वोल्टेज थ्रू आउट द पैरेलल सर्किट विल बी सेम. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे कंपोनेंट पैरेलल में कनेक्टेड है, तो भी जो वोल्टेज रहेगा that will have the same value. We can see here one example. Here given voltage source is given 5 volt the resistance which is in series with that voltage is given 2 kilo ohm. The value of load resistance is 1 kilo ohm. So according to voltage divider rule, you can calculate the value of voltage here. Then according to Ohm's law, you can calculate I by V upon this load resistance, VRL upon RL. You will get the value of IRL. And if you calculate power, V into I, VRL you are getting here. IRL you can calculate according to the Ohm's law. So तुमको V into I 2.78 milliwatt. If you are calculating the value of load current in the current source by using current divider, then also you are getting the same value of current, same value of voltage and same value of power. Because if you are transforming the voltage source into a current source, into equivalent current source, then the value of load current, load voltage and the power load will have same value. And we are using source shifting to convert complicated circuit into a simplified circuit. We can see another one example. Here in given circuit, 3 resistors are parallel, but one इनपुट रेजिस्टेंस जो रेजिस्टेंस है जो सोर्स के साथ दिया है फर्स्ट रेजिस्टेंस दैट इज इन सीरीज विद अ सप्लाई वोल्टेज. सो वी कैन कैलकुलेट हियर अकॉर्डिंग टू ओहम्स लॉ यहाँ का करंट निकाल सकते हैं एंड वी कैन कन्वर्ट दिस सर्किट इनटू ये जो सर्किट है वी कैन कन्वर्ट इनटू अ करंट सोर्स. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा करंट वो सेम वैल्यू ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस दैट विल बी इन पैरेलल विद दिस करंट सोर्स. And according to current divider rule, you are supposed to calculate the value of IR4 which is flowing through the R4 resistor. If you are calculating according to the current divider rule, what we will do? We will take the ratio of reciprocal of that resistor जिसमें का करंट निकालना है with respect to equivalent resistors. And if resistors are connected in parallel, how we will calculate equivalent resistance? उन reciprocal of जितने रेजिस्टर्स है उनका एडिशन दैट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टर्स. सो 1/25, 1/50, 1/200, 1/100 you will get here the value of total resistors into total given current. So we will get the value of current here by using the current divider rule. You can see another example. Here one current source is given and one voltage source. So it is very complicated to solve this value of current flowing through this resistance. So we can convert this circuit into the simplified circuit by converting given voltage source and this resistance which is in series we can convert into a current source where the value of resistance will be in parallel with the current source. यहाँ का Ohm's law के हिसाब से भी we can calculate the I current which is flowing through the series resistance. यहाँ पे ये जो सीरीज में यहाँ से ये जो R1 में से फ्लो होगा तो we will get the value 4 milliampere and we can put this value into a parallel with that resistors. Then we can apply voltage divider rule. Firstly, we can see here 2 current sources and which are having the same direction. So we can take here addition of this current. And according to current divider rule, you will get the value of current. Thank you. If anyone is facing any issue, you can ask. Otherwise, you guys can leave now. Thank you.